Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing this beautiful kind of greenish, reddish, mustard-ish, kind of grungy type of makeup look. I'm trying to put all the terms together so you can see, but there's a beautiful massive cut crease, which is halfway through. It is not a classic, but a beautiful kind of straight cut crease. So it's going to be a bit different today. We're going to go into like more of a glam type of thing. So before we get into it, make sure to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content every single week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So let's get into makeuping. I got some new nails. Oh my god, and I was so excited because I wanted something longer than usual. Something like the first time that I did my nails at the salon for this on this channel. Actually, it was really nice. So this is like a ballerina shape, and I just absolutely love the shape. I absolutely love the color. Actually, this color, I'm not the one that chose it. I was like, girl, just choose the color that you want. And just, you know, I had like forest green last time. I would like to have something else like similar, just because, you know, it's Christmas coming. I don't want to go too bright and too crazy. So she chose this beautiful green color. I was like, I would have never chosen something like this on my own, I think. But I love it so much. Like, green on my nails is like one of my favorite color right now. I'm like, ooh, green. It's like a dirty green. There's like green and like gray tones in it. It's just very beautiful. And this shape is always something that I like. That I just wanted to try something like more pointy as to last time. But I feel like this is definitely my favorite shape that I've done on my nails so far. Anyways, stop talking about my nails. It's enough. But we're gonna go into makeup looks today. I did all on my face. As you can see, I was like, let's just do everything right away. And I was thinking of going back into these colors that I bought. And I was like, I'm gonna go to greens. I wanted to go into that beautiful shade too. It's like a kind of like a dirty mustard and a bit of like a chili shade with that brown. I was like, whew, I need to go into these shades and like do something about it. Just something that would fit with like what I'm wearing at the moment. And I'm just gonna go straight into it and then blend pat everywhere. And then we have a beautiful base for the color. I think I'm gonna start with the burnt, like kind of dirty mustard color. And the reason why is because I feel like this is gonna be a great transition shade for like everything that I'm putting on my eyes at the moment. And I'm just gonna take a little tiny fluffy brush. This is the MAC 221S. And first time applying this color, and on the brush already, it looks absolutely stunning. Those are kind of my, oh. It fits, you guys. It fits. Okay. And I'm not going to be shy with the colors, you know? Like, I really want this look to be intense and crazy. So, we're going to go straight in it. And then just pack it. And then I'm going to blend. Maybe I'm going to bring, like, the green towards the inner corner of the eye. So, I'm just going to stop here. I'm not going to go all the way. Cute. What do you guys think so far? I think it's pretty nice. And then now I'm gonna take this other color, which is the green shade that I was really looking at. That it's not this exact same color as my nails, because obviously these have a little bit more blue in it, but I feel like it's gonna fit really well with my shirt. And I'm gonna take that beautiful shade and just pack it like all the way to the bottom, and then blending it into the burnt kind of orange mustardy color. And I feel like today we're gonna go crazy and do a cut crease. And you're gonna say like, wow, it's weird. Usually it's like the other way around. I wanted to put the green at the front just because, why not? It's gonna be a little tiny bit different. And then I take back this and I blend in the middle to have a beautiful kind of blend between the green and the yellow, which these colors have no problem whatsoever to blend. They are insanely good. Like, what should I take? Okay, so now going with this fluffy brush, even though I have really tiny eyes, I'm gonna take a fluffy big brush and go into that beautiful kind of burnt chili type of shade, which is super pretty. I'm so excited to put it for the first time on my eyes. We're going chili for today. And then I'm gonna pack this shade at the outer corner of the eye, and then going into the yellow. And then I am bringing it back all the way to the green. And I know it might change a bit of color, it might become a little bit more brownish, but it's okay because I'm going to take back my other brush with the yellow and mustardy color, and I'm just going to blend it in here and then intensify that color around. And at the inner corner, just putting it a little tiny bit on top of the green, like this, and then blending a bit. And then I take back the brush and I occasionally go back and then blend the little lines that it's creating. Like that, so it's easier to blend the eyeshadows on top of it. And I'm just making sure to pack in it real nice so the pigment is there. Those eyeshadows are more like buildable than anything else, which I love. So you can go very lightly, but you can also build them very quickly. You don't have to like go super light. So to blend out the edges, everything around it, I feel like I want to go with that shade, which is called Best of Me. This one is at the bottom right here. Can you even see it in the middle? This is Best of Me. It is just a beautiful kind of neutral color that looks like my skin tone. So I'm just going to use this and just go and then just sharpen everything at the end here. And then at the outer corner as well. All right, this color is cute, but then now we're not done, obviously. I'm like, I need some beautiful brown. So this shade here, give a glam over here, the brown shade. Right under the burnt chili one, which I don't remember the name. I'm going to go very lightly into it because this thing is really dark. And concentrating it here. So I added a little bit more brown and then I'm blending it into the red, burnt little red color, which is super pretty. And I'm going very carefully, building the layers to make sure that I'm not putting too much of the brown. And I'm also kind of putting a little liner moment with the eyeshadow, being very careful because I don't want this to go the wrong way. Like that. And then I go back and forth with building the colors and blending. The kind of secret to that is really to take your time with your eyeshadow. You go back, you know, you take your time. It's just like very pretty. So I think it is time to cut the crease just to see where it's going to lead us. Go with my little, not this paint pot, just a sec. I want to put a color that's going to be bright, so I'm going to go with the white paint pot in Sing to a Whisper. And you know what's sad about this one is that it is discontinued. I don't know why they just pulled that one out. It's just absolutely beautiful. White for pastels especially is going to look absolutely stunning. Why did you do that? Why did you do that? So I'm just going to open my eyes for the cut crease. I feel like it's very important to do so, especially when you have hooded eyes. And then I'm just doing it pat motion. I messed up this one. Oh my god. Okay, so we're just going to continue with the kind of reddish tones. I'm going to blend it into the white. Like this. And then taking the brown. And blending that into the red. And then for the inner corner, it is white. I am totally aware of that. I'm like, what should I put? What about this? I think I'm going to go with this Dazzle Shadow in liquid. And this is Everyday is Sunshine. I hope it's going to be pretty because if it goes any wrong, I can't remove it. So it is a little bit more pink, this one. I feel like it's going to fit with the whole theme that we have going on. So I'm just going to take a little tiny brush and then just put it here. Quick before this. I'm like, blend before it dries down. Oh my god. What do you guys think about that? Ooh, it's kind of crazy. Okay, I like. So now the next thing that we're gonna do is I will be putting a little bit of red right under, should I put red? I will go with the red at the outer corner. the green at the inner corner, and then the yellow in the middle, just like on top of the eyes, and then bringing it all around. And I put some highlight right on my cheeks everywhere. So I'm going to take the same highlighter, which is the Soft and Gentle Mineralize SkinFinish from MAC Cosmetics. In the inner corner, just where the green is. Ooh, what do you think about this cute little look? I just need some lashes and it's going to be fire. So I think I'm going to put my mascara first in the mascara. This one. So this is the False Lashes Extreme Black Mascara from MAC Cosmetics. Again, I'm trying to pass it, but my lashes are so long and I always put false lashes. So it's like, it's not going anywhere. But the reason why I'm using this one is because I just want my lashes to be black. For the false lashes, they're going to go on top so we don't see any weird powder on my eyes. I honestly don't even know what lashes I'm going to put with that look. So I'll just go check out all my lashes and then I'll be right back. Okay, so my lashes are put and I tried another technique and I feel like it works better that way. It's just a little bit more messy, especially on my eyes. But it was kind of like faster. Oh my god, like I didn't show it because I wanted to try it out. And like if I messed up anything, it would be on camera. But I should have showed you guys. What I did is I took this little brush, I put the glue and I put the lash on top. So much easier. I'm sorry, but like, hello. It's pretty cute. The only thing is that my lashes versus the false lashes don't want to stick together. So it looks like I have a gap even though it's very, very close. It's just, you know, it's there. So I think I'm going to put a little bit of like black liner right there to make sure that everything is nice and cute. And we have it right here. This is the MAC Blush Black. Anyways. Just on top, and then I'm just gonna connect this so it looks like one big line. So it's funny because my face is practically done. I mean, I just wanted to really do the eyes for today and like the lips, and I bought another shade of like the Powder Kiss lipsticks, and that's why I wanted to put that because I did put last time the Marrakesh, which is this beautiful burnt orange. It would go really, really well with the orange we just put, but I was like, this is not enough. I wanted to go something really dark, grungy, all of these things. So I was like, I need to go with this kind of chocolate brown type of thing, and I don't know if this is gonna fit me. I never wore brown before. So I was like, I need to try this. So we're gonna try this for today. I was searching for my sharpener because I like it when it's really sharp, and then I'm gonna go. I already put my lip primer earlier at the beginning of the video because my lips were so chapped and so dry. I needed to have the moisture, and I kind of wanted it to be prepped for when we put the, you know, thing. So I'm gonna go with some brown. Oh my god, I am so excited to see how the brown is going to look on me. I cannot wait. So this is turn to the left for me. Okay. Okay, guys. What do we think so far of this brown? I don't know. Hi. If you're hearing some rain, I am so sorry about the rain. I really can't do anything about it. It's going on the window and it's really annoying. I'm like, no. It was snowing like 2 days ago and now it's raining and I'm like, oh my god, there's gonna be so much ice. It's gonna be insane. But anyways, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Do you like the very dark lip, or you think it's too much maybe? I feel like I like it like that. And I feel like I need to put something else in my waterline because my eyes look a little tiny. Just a sec. I'm going to put something, just a sec. Ooh, so much better. Oh my god. So what do you guys think about this makeup look so far? Right now, do you think it's too much? I feel like it's very grungy. I like this color. I didn't think that a brown like this would fit me, but I feel like it's such a vibe. All right, you guys, so this is a beautiful kind of greenish, red, burnt type of color. I'm like, I don't even know what to call it anymore. I was like, I started it being green and then I wanted to do like my nails, but went into another direction. So anyways, it always does this, but it's okay because it ended up being a very beautiful makeup look that I really love. Actually, I feel like it's really nice. There's not only greens in there, but you can mix colors that are kind of different a little bit, and it's not too green to the point where it kind of blends with my eyes. Since there's some brown, some red, it's really gonna make my eyes pop and make them come out. And this beautiful lipsticks, honestly, my teeth look so white with it. I'm like, I need to put this color literally every single day of my life. This is such a beautiful color and I absolutely love it. So anyways, tell me down below what you think about this beautiful little makeup look. And I know I'm gonna be posting this very late. I'm sorry. But it's coming like this, trying to get back on all of the things. And I'm recording a couple videos and I'm learning about it, a lot of things. So it's really exciting. So anyways, if you like this video, make sure to put a big thumbs up as always. Make sure to comment down below again and to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content every single week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So thank you so much guys for watching. I love you guys so much and I will definitely see you in the next one.